Good morning and welcome to How to Do Your Super Scaling Symbol Project. Here are the things that you'll need for the project. You'll need Scotch tape, a ruler, scissors, a sharpened pencil, your graph paper that we're going to hand out to you, and your symbol selection. The first thing you're going to do is write your name on top of the graph paper. We want to make sure that we know whose paper this is so we can give you the full credit. Next, we're going to select one of our symbols. We have our Batman symbol, our Superman symbol, our Batgirl symbol, and our Wonder Woman symbol. Select any one and cut it out as neatly as you can.
Notice that I'm cutting on the dotted line, okay? Do not cut the image out. You're just gonna cut the rectangle out. This will make it a lot easier for you when it comes to scaling your image. So I selected Wonder Woman.
Next, we're going to tape our image onto our graph paper. We're going to do it on the upper hand side, and we're going to leave one row on top and one row to the side over, just like this. So you're going to start on the second row on top and on the second row over. Now it's very important that you use Scotch tape because you'll be able to write on that tape with pencil. If you use a different kind of tape, you will not be able to do that. If you're not sure what kind of tape to use, please ask Mr. Rekhels or Ms. Scott, and we'll help you find that tape.
Make sure mine is perfect, Mr. Rekhels.
Got to make sure you get that grade.
All
Okay,
right.
once you've done that, you're going to take your ruler and your pencil and you're going to draw lines over your symbol. Okay, just like we used to do with the scaling problems that we had.
Notice the top of the grid line is here and the grid line below is here. I'm going to line up my ruler to make sure I have the same amount of space, and I'm going to hold the ruler tight, 2 hands, and glide the pencil on the side, okay? Let's go to the next one. All I'm doing is connecting the lines through the image. Very lightly. Do not press hard on the paper or on the pencil because you don't want to have dark lines and then regret your lines and have to erase them and fix them. You're not going to be happy with that. So let's see. It takes a little practice to make sure your ruler is lined up properly and held down tight. So don't get frustrated. That's just a natural part of the process.
Keep in mind this is centimeter graph paper. That means each box is 1 centimeter long.
Okay, so now that I finished those lines, now I'm gonna go across. This is a perfect project for students who feel like they cannot draw, they have no artistic capabilities. I hear students say that all the time. I can't draw, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do that. You don't need to be a great artist to do this project.
Great. Now that we have our original symbol graphed out, we're going to measure it. We want to know what is the length and what is the width of our original symbol.
Okay, so I'm using centimeters because Mr. Rekhels said this is centimeters, so I'm changing my rule to the centimeter side. And I noticed that mine is about 8 centimeters. So I can write 8 centimeters here. And I like to draw lines on mine to show what I'm measuring. So this is the width. And then here I have about, let's see. Okay, stops at a weird spot here, so I'm just going to count from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 4 and 6 over. What's the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I can simplify that, right? 6 over 10. I simplify that by 2. 2 into 6 gives me 3. 2 into 10 gives me 5. So I got 4 3/5.
Great. That's the first major step of our project. This is what we want you to finish tonight. Please make sure that you get up to this. If you need any help, please either contact myself or Ms. Scott on Remind or see us in the classroom or after class.
Okay, thank you, BCMS. Good luck on your homework.
Good luck.